Hello and welcome to our shop video on how to migrate your existing aXcelerate account to a global account. This login experience introduces a method to connect existing user accounts to one centralized login credential. This is especially useful for the users who have access to multiple portals, such as staff who are also undertaking study through the Learner portal, or for those who have accounts with multiple training organizations. In order to power this experience, you will need to proceed with access to at least one of the 5 options: an email address or mobile phone number, or an account with Apple, Facebook, or with Google. When signing into aXcelerate using the traditional method with your username and password, you'll be prompted to migrate your account to a global account. Let's see how this works. When signing into aXcelerate using the traditional method with your username and password, you will be prompted to migrate your account to a global account. Click Create Global Account now. Then, you can choose your preferred method of logging in. For now, we'll use our Google account by clicking Continue with Google. You can choose our Gmail account and log in to Google using the prompts provided. After completing this action, our account is linked to our Google account and we can sign in using this method. Instead of using a username and password, from now on we will use Sign in with Google from the login page. And that's it! Our traditional sign-in method has been migrated to a global account. If we wanted, we could have chosen to link with Apple or Facebook in the same way we did with our Google account. Let's say, however, we didn't want to link any of our social accounts, and instead, we could have used our email or phone number in combination with the password. To do this, first we will log in using the traditional method, our username and password. When we get prompted to migrate to a global account, we can proceed with an email account. From here, we will sign in using our email address. Once we are set up with a global account, we will always use this method when signing in. If you forget which method you are using to sign in, or you want to change your method, an administrator within your system can access your account information. They will be able to determine what method you are using and can unlink a user's account from its global sign-in method. They can also send the user an email which will contain a link and invites them to create their global account through the process we have just covered. So far, we have covered how to migrate our existing aXcelerate user account to the new global account login experience. Please see our help guides for more information.